Hello everyone, this is Hemakshi Sirohi and I'm here again with my second vlog. So in this one, I'm gonna show you Australian farm life. I hope you will enjoy it. So stay tuned. If you wanna be in the arms of nature, then come to Australia. John is the owner of the farm and he's also my friend. As soon as we arrived here, he treated us with cookies.
I'm John. I'm from Australia.
Yeah.
And I live in central Victoria on a farm, a small hobby farm. And this is my little property here, the tractor, some sheep out in the paddock. And it's raining. So we can't go out at the moment because we'll get wet. G'day. Do you want to see how much my sheep love me? Do you love me? How much do you love me? Come to Papa.
Oh God. So how's life at your farm? How's it?
Life is the best, especially during COVID, because you can be outside all the time and doing stuff and
Yeah.
not locked in your house. So
Right.
yeah, it's great. And I've got a big go, and I sold my house in Melbourne. And yeah, it's been great because I've got a lot of pets. I've got sheep, horses. The two horses are Shetland ponies, and they're both pregnant, expecting little foals in about 7 months. I've got a cow called Missy Moo, a goat called Miss Daisy. We've got chickens, a turkey called Slapper,
Yeah.
Mrs. Slapper and all the baby slappers.
Yeah.
We've got a cat, a three-legged cat called Stumpy.
And she's cute.
Stumpy lost his foot when the umbilical cord wrapped around it when he was born, so he's never known any different, and he's about 14 years old. And he was a city cat, and now he's a country cat. It's crazy.
So in the evening time, John locks up all the birds just to keep them safe from the foxes.
Off you go, boy. Am I terrible for the AJ?
No.
You go that side, and round them up, round them up.
smart enough, I think.
Oh, like a mole. Got an egg. Neighbours have been really nice, and we all catch up and have dinners and barbecues and just help each other out when you need help. And yeah, the country community is really good. Everyone knows everyone. It is. Oh, this is more of a hobby farm than an actual running farm. It's sort of like more pets. As like the farm I grew up on was a dairy farm with hundreds of cows for milk. And my two brothers still run farms down in Warrnambool. As this one's just more for a guest stay for friends, or we wanted to. Well, it was an old farm, and I've spent 2 years cleaning up all the rubbish off the farm and ripping out trees, and I'm planting a lot of new trees on the property. And I've ripped out all the garden around the house, and I just put up a fence in front. And I have to re-landscape all the gardens, so as you can see, it's dirt at the moment. And
So this all fencing is done by you?
Yep, I built it.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
And then I have to put all new watering system in the whole property. I put a bore in the ground, a D-cell plant, and yeah, now it's starting to plant the trees.
Thank
Great
you.
having you here.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. And I've got something from his veggie garden. So John loves Indian food, so I have cooked 2 curries for him. Helping John feeding the sheeps. I love staying here, but it's time to say goodbye. I wish I could stay longer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.